Hey guys, welcome to LogOut. Today I'll be showing you how to sign out of your YouTube account, and now let's dive right in. Now to sign out of your YouTube account, first open up your preferred browser where do you use YouTube most, and after that, for in order to be able to log out of the YouTube account, please click on the search bar over here and type in the address youtube.com and hit on enter in order to proceed to the youtube.com and see which of our account is logged in. And in order to proceed from over here, at the top right corner of the screen there is our profile picture icon, and if you click on it, it will show you the account which you're logged into on your YouTube. And in order to sign out of your account, guys, over here you can see there is a sign out button directly over here. After you click on this button, our profile picture icon, and in order to sign out, simply click on this button where it sign out, guys, and you will be logged out of your YouTube account. And then guys, this is how you log out of your YouTube account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.